Deep in the heart of the evergreen forest, where the trees whispered secrets and the streams giggled as they danced over rocks, lived a tiny dragon named Flicker. Flicker was not like the other dragons, who soared through the skies with mighty roars and breathed fire with purpose. Instead, Flicker had a peculiar problem. He had the hiccups. One starry night, as the moon cast a silvery glow over the forest, Flicker found himself hiccuping more than ever. Each hiccup sent a shower of golden sparks flying from his little nostrils, dancing like fireflies through the night air. At first, the forest creatures watched in awe as the sparks gently settled on leaves and branches, making them shimmer like stars. But soon, the entire forest was glowing with a warm, magical light. The animals gathered around Flicker, their eyes wide with wonder, as the forest transformed into a sparkling wonderland. With each hiccup, Flicker giggled,